Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Let me just start by introducing myself. My name is Sung Kwang and I'm assigned in Gyeonggi Institute of Science Education in South Korea. Today I'm going to talk about how does light color affect on plants' growth.
My experiment is the finding out reason why people are use transparent vinyls for their vinyl houses. Thus, I'm going to progress my experiment as light different color on each plant.
We could observe lots of vinyl houses that covered by transparent vinyls.
To figure out my question, I planned my experiment to get the 7 different colors, which are sunshine, red, yellow, green, white, blue, and black. I made box to prevent to affected by other colors. And this is my experimental place to progress my experiment. After 3 months, I could get my result of this experiment. The first picture shows the result of plant's growth after I did this experiment for 1 week. We could realize that plant that get black light grows highest, however the stem was curved. By comparison, sunlight was shortest but the stem was strong enough. This picture shows results 3 weeks after I started the experiment. Most of the plants stopped growing their stem. The tallest plant was plant that get blue light. However, their leaf and stem were curved. By comparison, the shortest one was sunshine. However, their stems and leaves were the most fresh compared to other 6 plants. In conclusion, the tallest plant was blue and the strongest and freshest plant was sunshine. I think reason why people use transparent vinyls for their farm because people prefer qualified products. Also, the other colors of plant can photosynthesis well. So transparent vinyls were best solution for farmers. This is end of my project. I hope you enjoyed my project.